Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aking channel. Ngayon po, we will make a traditional Filipino dessert called Leche Flan. And our ingredients are eggs, evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla essence, sugar. We also need tin foil. But first, we need to separate egg yolk from egg white. After separating the egg yolk, we need to put the evaporated milk, then gently stir the butter. After with the condensed milk, and mix it again gently. Then we put the vanilla essence. Mix until all ingredients are well combined. After the mixture is well mixed, we need to strain to remove the lumps and bubbles so that our leche flan is smooth and creamy. Set aside our mixture, then we proceed on making our caramel syrup. For making our caramel syrup, we need to put 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar and let it caramelize in a low heat. Now the caramel is ready. Let's transfer it in our lanera. Then transfer our caramel syrup in our lanera and let it cool for about a minute. Now our caramel syrup is totally cool, we can add our mixture. Then cover with tin foil. Then transfer to our steamer. Today I'm using metal steamer. You can also use bamboo steamer and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes.
A few moments later.
To check if our leche flan is cooked, use toothpick. If it comes out clean, then the leche flan is ready. Now our leche flan is cooked. Let it cool for about a minute and ready to serve. Sarap. I hope you like our recipe for the day. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button below, and thank you for watching for our video for the day.